we got this huge area right here we're gonna work on. As you can see, it bubbled up. I think some water damage, it got compromised. So I've cut some glass. It's 4-ounce glass. I taped it off, and we're gonna go mix some resin right now. Get working on that. Right now I want to try this Bondo fiberglass resin. You can get at Lowe's or Home Depot. And when you open the top, it already has the hardener there for you. So we're going to go ahead and mix this. Let me put 2¼ teaspoon hardener. Doesn't take much. You got to work with it really fast because I made so many mistakes on this. Once it gets hard, there's no way to spread it. I mean, it just turns into gel, and then it hardens like a rock. It gets kind of hot too. So we're going to go ahead and brush this on here. And I got 2 sheets of glass cut out. That's 4-ounce glass. Smaller one goes on the bottom, and the large one overlaps it just a little bit. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this on here before it gets too hard. See where I taped it off there, so it wouldn't just go all over the side of the board. All right, we'll get that on. Get the first piece of glass on here. Good. So, top of that. Get the second one on here. Actually, so we got some compromised right there. It's a chunk coming out right there. We'll go mix some resin, and we'll get that fixed up right there, sanded, and should be good after that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and mix in a little of this Q-cell with it to fill it in. Let's see if I have let's see a cup, so I'm just going to kind of eagle eye it here. And we'll mix that in. Okay, it's about at the consistency I'd like to see it. And we're going to make these repairs, so just about finished here. Started. Push it around a little bit. Just the more flat you make it right now, the less sanding you'll have to do later. Try to even it out just a little bit. All right, I think that's it. Okay, we're now ready to sand it down. It's been a few hours. So we're going to get her sanded down and get ready for the final step on this hot coat. I got 80 grit right now. We'll start off with 80 and then maybe 120 right after that, a little bit smoother.